Alright, so we're finally on to the unit test of trigonometry, which took like forever for me. Let's start in my calculator. Alright. So just a normal equation. 6 sine 3x plus 1 equals 7. Subtract 1 on both sides. Get that. Divide 6 on both sides. You get that. And then there's two identities you need to remember. Sine 3x plus 2. I'm going to do 360. And because this is in degrees. Oh, yeah, I need some my calculator, 2 degrees. Alright. 360n equals 1. And the other identity is sine 180 minus 3x plus 360n equals 1. Alright, so I'll solve this one first. Okay, so inverse sine of 1 equals 3x plus 360n. Subtract 360n from both sides. Both sides equals 3x, and then take a third of both sides to isolate the x. 1 and minus 120 and equals x. That's one solution. And then I'll do this one next. So sine -1 of, wait, why did I take, no, this is just 1. Wait, what did I do? What did I do? Okay. It's just 1. It's just 1. How did I get -1? I don't know. Something's gone into me. Alright, that's one solution. And then the other solution, inverse sine of 1 is 180 minus 3x plus 360n. Subtract 180 and 360n from both sides. You get that minus 180 minus 360n equals -3x. Divide -3 on both sides. You get -1/3 sine, inverse sine 1 plus 60, right? Yeah, and plus 120n. Alright, and this should be the other solution. And I'll just put this in the calculator. And make sure I have degree mode on. Yes, I have the degree mode on. 1/3 inverse sine of 1 minus 1. No, I don't need to do that. So that's, this is 30. And this, okay, hold on. -1/3 inverse sine of 1 plus 60. This is also 30. It's 30 plus 120n. Nice. What's the principal value of, okay. This is just what we just did, but it's just identity. So it's -0.22 plus 2 pi n. And oh, this is the principal value, so it has to be between, I think, these two quadrants, right? Let me think. Sine is the y value. Yeah, those two quadrants. So you don't have to add 2 pi n here. So it's inverse sine of inverse. So for the first solution is just the inverse sine of this value, which is about -12.7 degrees. And the other value is 1. Oh wait, this is in radians. My calculator is still in degree mode. So it's not 12.7. Inverse sine of -0.22 is actually negative 0.22. That looks good so far, but I need to make sure. So pi plus 0.22. Let's see. Pi plus 0.22. Oh, wait, did I do something wrong? Sine 1 pi minus negative 0.22, right? Did I do something wrong? I don't think that's important because I think I already got the answer. Yeah, I think it's just negative 0.22. Okay. Which two extensions are equivalent to tangent of theta? Tangent of negative theta, that would go like here. Nope, not A. Not A. So it's not A. Tangent pi minus theta, pi goes to here, minus theta goes here. Nope, not B. At least C and D has to be. Pi plus theta, pi plus theta. That looks good. And pi, yeah, it has to be. 2 pi is just the same. Okay. What does the solution shift for that represent? You're just substituting 10 for t, and t is the hours. So this is all the solutions for the definite meters when it's 10 hours after midnight on April 1. The set. Nope. Like, there is no difference here, right? At 8. Nope, not C, not D. Wait, the set of all numbers of hours. The hours is given, so it's not C and D. The meters is not given, so it has to be B. Nice. Oh, wait, this looks like a law of cosines question. Oh, I need to set my calculator in degree mode too. Alright, so goes c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of theta. Substituting everything, the c is the opposite of theta. So 90 squared equals 400 squared plus 450 squared. 450 squared minus 450 cosine of theta. So we just solve 90 squared is 8,100. 400 squared is 60000 plus 450 squared 202,500 minus 2 times 400 times 450 minus 360,000 cosine of theta, and 160,000 plus 202,500. That's 362,500 minus 360,000 cosine of theta. 8100 minus that. Negative 354,400 is negative 360,000 cosine of theta. Divide negative 360,000 and take the inverse cosine. Wait, it's my calculating degree mode, and take the inverse cosine of what I just got, and that's 10, about 10 degrees. Nice. Alright. How long does it take? Okay, So how long does it take to blah blah blah? T's entered in radians. Entered in radians. I'm gonna set my calculator to radians. I think okay, so just substitute it. 2 pi 3t. Okay. Add 35.5 to both sides. You get 0.5. And divide 5 on both sides. You get 0.1. And solve normally. So I'm just gonna this first idea. I'm not gonna add 2 pi in because I don't think I need to here. So inverse cosine of 0.1 equals 2 pi over 3t. Inverse cosine of 0.1 is and multiply by 3 divided by 2 pi. It's 0.7. Points t here equals to about 0.7. 0.7 seconds. I'm gonna look at the other solution just to make sure I didn't do anything wrong. So this is the okay. So 2 pi. Yeah, 2 pi minus 2 pi over 3 t. Cosine, inverse cosine 0.1 equals to 2 pi minus 2 pi over 3t minus 2 pi on both sides. Get this. Multiply the reciprocal. Get this. Minus 2 pi. That equals t. So enter that in the calculator. By the way, this I think is 3. Wait. Yeah, plus 3. Inverse cosine 0.1 times 3 divided by negative 2 pi. And then plus 3. You get 2.29. So that's about 2.3. 0.7 and 2.3. Let's see how long does it take to bob down from its peak to a height? Okay. Let me read this closely. I'm gonna make sure I'm not missing anything. So its peak. The Tony's turbo is bobbing blah blah. The vertical between the blah blah is between the dock and the top. Yeah, I'm gonna say. I don't know. Between the dock and the top of the boat's mast. I'm gonna say 0.7. Nice. Okay, we have a looks to be a sine identity. Where it goes like sine a plus b equals sine a, and then sine a. Wait, it's like sine a cosine b plus sine b cosine a. Oh, so this is negative. This is negative because the sign here is negative. It's supposed to be positive. So it's sine pi over 6 and pi over 6 minus 5 pi over 12. And pi over 6 is, pi over 6 is 2 pi over 12 minus 5 pi over 12. That's negative 3 pi over 12. That's negative pi over 4. And sine of negative pi over 4 is sine of negative pi over 4. This is pi over 4. This is negative pi over 4. Over here, this is root 3 over 2, negative a half, just negating this. So the sign is the y value, so it's negative half. Should be negative half. Wait, what is it? Oh my god, it's negative root. I was looking at pi over 6. Oh my god, it's negative. Okay, careless mistake. Careless mistake. Okay, so cosine of, okay, this, I'm just gonna draw a 45, 45, 90 triangle on a unit circle. No, it's not good at all. 45, 45, 90. This is 1. This over here is root 2 over 2, I believe. I think 2x squared equals 1. 1 half x squared. And then root 2. Yeah, it's root 2 over 2. This root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. That is just like normal pi over 4. It's adding a whole pi, so it's here. So negative should be negative root over 2 and negative root over 2. It's root 2 over 2. Tongue twister. How do I type this? Negative root 2 over 2 negative root 2 No, that's not what I mean. Okay, negative 2 over 2. Nice. Last question. What coordinates of point A? This is 60 degrees. This has to be, this over here has to be 1. This over here is 1/2. So this is 1/2, and this is root 3 over 2, I think. Because 30, 60, 90, 2x, this is x root 3. Yeah, so it's 1/2 root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Nice. Dang, I messed up on one question. No. Okay, that's fine. Dang it.